see? This is the pedicular marking of the upper pedicle. Show the camera there. Can you see?
Yeah.
So this will be marker. So this will be the first incision. Shoot. 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 So this will be the second incision, huh? This is the midline. The midline, this is the first incision, this is the second incision through which we'll do the all surgeries. So lateral. But then Mahesh. Don't touch me. Remove that. All sterility. So in fusion we try to maintain all sterility because, and one more important thing, whenever you are a drape sheet, you should this operative area should be devoid of this no pasting material. Otherwise these things, can you show here? These are this plastic will go inside and remain, which may cause infection. So you have to take care of this area. You should remove this, otherwise with dilators, instruments and all, because your continuous movement is there, this may go inside. So normally I go for a transverse incision in biportal fusion, because here you are going to put the screws. The transverse triangulation. Shoot. Shoot. Okay. Shoot. Now we start with the triangulation. Show me the hand. That's it. Okay. See the triangulation point. Dilators. Same. No big dilators is needed. It means fusion. No big dilators. Same. Just can introduce it. Mount karo. Okay. So this is the working portal done. Then the cranial ये portal. এটা ठीक है मैं मुंह पकड़े आस्ती ठीक है तोड़ू कर लो. Then we move to the scopy portal. Shoot. Okay.
Can we have the X-rays in the PIP? Whenever it's taking a shot.
Shoot.
सियाम को पीआईपी कराओ ना.
नहीं थोड़ा इशू हो रहा है सियाम में, पता नहीं इन्हें दिया नहीं है, बट वो दिखा
अच्छा ओके
दिखा दिया.
ट्रायंगुलेट हो जाए फिर दिखा देना एक्स-रे.
ट्रायंगुलेशन हो गया है.
हाँ तो वो ट्रायंगुलेशन का
saline. So again water flow checked. You see the water should flow well, and from there point to the timings. Later. So normally coagulation. So see, in 15 seconds I have reached to the spinal lamina junction. Is it visible, the C?
Yes, we can see the C.
Ablet. So my job in fusion is the facet. You see facet
Yes, we can see the
coagulation.
joint
So you see a
capsule.
vessel, wonderful vessel coagulation. Okay. Ablet. You see the facet capsule.
Yep.
Ablet. Stop. Ablet. All the soft tissues I will clear. Stop. Carison, please. Dispose, please. So you can see the capsule well.
Yes, we can appreciate the joint.
So these soft tissues I'll just clear a little. These are the soft tissues. These are not muscles. Drill, please. So then we'll move with the slope. Anyways, there na. Up later. Carison. So I use a lot of carison and chisel for the fusion. And so I keep all these bones. Best band देने रहता हूँ. Okay. Okay. So I move to the facetectomy process. बड़ा question. Nice. Chisel, please. So you have started seeing the facet level chisel. All preserve all bones in fusion. This foci, please. Chisel. This foci, please. Every bone will be keeping. Chisel. Now you can very well see the facets. Chisel. Chisel. Harrison, please. It will little whenever we move the scope for a fusion, sometimes it becomes very jigsaw. Very fast movements will be there. Ablet. So you can see the surface of SAP here. Ablet. Can you see the surface of the SAP?
Yes. Yeah.
Increase the cog speed, ablator speed. Ablet. It's not cutting here. Ablet. अरे ablet power बढ़ा दो. So see, I am fracturing the facet. Ablet. Chisel. Stop. Chisels are really handy for any fusion case. Wait. So keep on. Chisel. Chisel. Harrison, please. You see the facet bones?
Yeah.
Pani press the one, yeah.
Using bone scalpel for this step also.
You can see this.
Bone scalpel is always a good option if you have
Tape
that.
also.
You see SAP,
तस्वीर का तो पता
the
नहीं.
IAP,
पता नहीं है, कर लिए, पढ़ता नहीं, बहुत किया. Thanks, बहुत किया.
Chisel, Bill,
ये नहीं करता.
Shiver.
लेकिन महंगा बहुत है.
महंगा बहुत.
30 लाख रुपए.
Medium tapes, huh? Yeah. आपका कीला का कौन सा मैच? दूसरा मेरे पास सोलोपेड. हमारे वहाँ पे सोनोपेट है, तो मैं
Striker.
स्ट्राइकर क्या हूँ। फिर
Condition.
मैं फिर bones का
पानी दिया नहीं दिया बेसिक पानी. So all bones I need to preserve.
तो सर ये it's expensive
So
वाला
no
पर
pressure, no pump.
सबसे अच्छा है कि
Height take away there, reduce the height.
क्या बोल रहे हो आप लोग?
No, nothing. Saver. I'll show tomorrow in the group. I'll put the CT scan. You'll see how much things I have removed. Whole facet I'll remove.
आप लोग स्कोप बहुत ज्यादा मूव कर रहे हो यार, आप थोड़ा सा स्टेबल रखो ना.
Flavum?
नहीं, आप स्कोप बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी जल्दी हिला रहे हो, थोड़ा ना हम लोग डिसोरेंट हो जा रहे हैं.
Okay. I'll let you.
ही इज इन हरी बिकॉज सब हुके हैं अभी, तो 15-20 मिनट करके खत्म करना था.
No. I'm not hurry. These are. I think these are not the steps where you should spend lot of time. That is, I just moving forward with the bone work should not take much time. Stop.
Yeah.
The neurostructure work should be little gentle. So we have a lot of work because this disc ablate. So see, one important coagulation. So the Swan space. You can see this loose areolar tissue. Swan space. Yeah, stop. So you see there is a bleeder here. So there are two ways to control this bleeder. Either you can coagulate or cut, ablate. Ablation works better on bony bleeding. Ablate. Ablation works better on bony bleeding. Ablate. Stop. This works better.
Yeah.
Okay, carry on please. Bone. Okay. So take a shoot of my take a CM shoot. Just shoot at the CM. Shoot. See where I have reached. See where I have reached. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the SP origin, IAP origin till where I normally do the facetectomy. Wide area. So all these bones are going to be implanted inside the discal space. Coagulation. Coagulation please. Coagulation is gel form ready करना. Ablate. Stop. Coagulation please. Sometimes no need to go before all RBCs, always before RBCs. You have to keep on doing cases. Otherwise, the lot of time will be spent. Chisel please, ablator. So I am working on the facet. So you see, this is the base of the spinous process. Stop. This is the contralateral side. Ablate. Stop. Carry on please. This is the contralateral side. Everything will be visualized. Gradually you will see lot of structures. So you see the contralateral side now visible. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ablator. मेरा चश्मा निकाल दो भाई. Ablator. So here the flavum is also hypertrophied. Always shrink your soft tissues around. Otherwise they will always come with the front of your eye and say you hi. Lot of hi is not good. Just coagulation. Bill please. Metonic. चश्मा निकाल दो मेरा. So planning to put 2 cages. Blind drilling. Remember the blind drilling part I was talking about, that prevents a lot of scope damage.
So do you take scope little bit back when you're drilling it?
Yeah, definitely. Take a CM, can we take a fluoro? Show there. Take a fluoro. Show there. Baba, choti dekha.
So Sapphire is drawing everywhere and then drilling.
Show the moment. See the moment. Fluoro karo. Continuous. देखा होनी पाएगी. चलो फ्लोरो और देखो मूवमेंट की बड़ा short. Now we are seeing my scope is at a distance.
Yeah.
If I keep it like this, take a shoot, I will very well damage the.
Lower and you get back.
So the problem is not the bar, it is the shaft of the drill which damages the scope. You see the shaft, this also rotates. So this will damage my scope if I go here.
Yeah.
You are seeing? So that is a
Yes.
very important step. It took me 5 scopes, almost around 7 lakh rupees to understand this concept. To getting it for free.
7 पड़े लाइन 7 रिपेयर नहीं हो रहा बेचारे चाइनीज
Okay, you see, now I have reached to the exiting route. Now you see?
You are staying away.
Yeah.
The lens
Your barrel is facing up.
So the chisel work as today we are discussing chisel population. Sir is the chisel.
Dissection.
यस
Yeah, this is the biggest advantage of you. Microscope and the doodle will punch against the bone. But this is hydro dissection, the bone is already created.
Ablator, Carison ablator. Chisel and for under shaver please. Shaver.
The proponents of micro technique say that it takes shorter time. He's doing it so fast.
सर देखो माइक्रोवेव में लर्निंग कर्व था
time should not
Dude, there are some
सर
proponents.
नंबर 1
Tama, it's not working the shaver. They arrowed. Line drilling, you can see I'm not seeing it, but still I'm doing. I
स्कूल
know.
आके 50 मिनट बाहर हो
Huh?
हाँ कुछ नहीं तू कर हम देख रहे हैं
I'll do contralateral facetectomy also. You'll see how I do this. That will give us a better alignment because once you have to refracture it. That's a wrong alignment. You have to refracture. Simulation of fracture, as orthopedicians say, simulation of fracture. You simulate the fracture.
I just reviewed a Korean paper. So what they have done, this is technique, and they have done some 30 cases telling down. And what they have done is they have all the content. This is for listhesis, grade 3, grade 2 and above. So they have just gone the contour side,
You can see the contour.
put in the screws, and that is how they achieve reduction.
There you can do that. We normally, for correction of the reduction you want, you can do that. But anyway, you have to refracture it.
there are freelancing guys.
This is Carson, please.
घर पे आके वो बोला कि
हाँ, प्रेशर कम कर दो भाई. Dissector. So contralateral facet. No, sorry. What is this? No. Chisel, please. So contralateral work with chisel, you see. Same chisel I have used for more than, I think, 300 cases. No sharpening even needed. Chisel. So I am working on the contralateral facet. You can see. Chisel. Now I will do a facetectomy. Chisel. Okay. You see the joint now. You'll see the joint in a moment. Chisel.
हाँ भाई हाँ.
हाँ मैं देख रहा था यू आर फॉलोइंग वेरी क्लोजली
And
Chisel. Carson, please.
in this osteotomy the tip of eye.
yeah.
हाँ कॉन्वर्टल टिप ऑफ
Progression, please.
आगे रुक सी होगी जगह बन गया वहाँ पे
So you see my hand movement. I'm slanting down. Coagulation. I'm slanting down here. You see the contralateral sublaminar area. Okay. Stop. Tablet.
एक्सपर्ट्स इस तरह अगर हम आते हैं 30 डिग्री लेना बेटर रहेगा 0 डिग्री में कंटिन्यू
Stop. Stop.
30.
Coagulation.
So I prefer 30 is best.
Chisel. Chisel.
degree oral use करते हो 30 degree
Alternatively,
you start
Chisel.
if you have a 30 degree आपके पास laparoscope
Chisel.
start with नहीं करते then go for
Chisel. हाँ.
get used to and then you can upgrade
Yeah.
Harrison, please. Curved Harrison है ना?
Problem है Chinese को focus अच्छा नहीं है. Okay.
Okay, very nice. चलो, thank you. Any day नहीं रे माँ उसे. Have later. So you can see, I'm just stripping away the dura from below. I never work on the cranial. I mostly start with this. Then we move to the coagulate. Ablet. Stop. Coagulation. From here, which I call as a U manner.
Butterfly चल रहा है मुझे लगता है.
I'll go to the contralateral side from below. Stop. Chisel.
फिर ऑस्ट्रोटोमी करके नीचे से उठाएगा फिर हम वो
तितली के पीछे पड़े हैं.
हाथ में पर तितली तितली खेल रहे हो क्या
क्या है? क्या हुआ?
तितली खेल रहे हो क्या
butterfly.
हाँ, बटरफ्लाई निकालना है क्या? निकालेंगे?
नहीं ना यार देख
Chisel. बटरफ्लाई के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है इस शाफ्ट.
समय तो नहीं है हमारे पास
समय नहीं है तो कहीं देखते हैं. अभी 2-5 मिनट के अंदर काम हो गया तो निकाल देंगे. So you see this flavum bands and everything that I was saying. I lift the flavum like a shirt and go underneath it to see is there any adhesion on contralateral side. You see this adhesion? Now see how I'll release this adhesion and go forward. This will make your chances of having dural tear remote. Curate, please. Is there any fogging with the scope? Just see. There is little fogging with the scope. Just a moment. Normally we use sterile scopes. Almost it should be ETO for every case.
क्या हो गया आपको स्कोप कहाँ गया आ गया
So it was little fogged. So
So I think it is a very good skill to learn to lift up the flavum from the caudal lamina.
yes, yeah. So you see the adhesions here. You should not go there. If you go there, you see this fold. You'll catch up. So most of the chances of having dural tear is always in the this area near the exiting route, not at at the traversing route. Sorry, Chisel.
One thing that you note is he's resting his hands on the
Chisel.
patient, so he's not getting fatigued.
Chisel. Okay. Dispose, please. So it is now segregated into two parts, the flavum. It has been opened like a book. So I'll reduce a little because it is hypertrophied also. Coagulation. 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 Stop. Sometimes because you do a lot of bone work, so woozings will be there for some time, but you should carry on. Do not. These are okay woozings. Chisel. 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 Oh, stop. So see, we have reached to the contralateral SAP. Chisel. Okay. Now see how I am separating this flavum from all around. Chisel. Okay. Chisel. 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 Okay. Carry on, please. ये कैरिसन नहीं हो this was it.
बढ़ जाइए।
बहुत दिन आ रही है
Bone. We preserve all the bones. This yeah. Ablator, please. Pani देना वैसे. Coagulation.
देखिए ऑपरेटिंग में डिफरेंस है सिस्टम को कॉपी करना
Bone work is needed in fusion, so do not try to be conservative in fusion. Coagulation.
वो सर्वाइकल का वो
Carison, please. Carison, please.
नहीं ये हिल रहा है इसलिए। मैंने एक मूवी देखा था पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटी बोल के।
Yes, sir.
वहाँ पे कैमरा ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा था। और रामगोपाल भाई मूवी भी
आपने मुझे तो कर रहा है आपने मुझे तो कर रहा राम गोपाल वर्मा की मूवी बना रहा है
रामगोपाल मूवी दिखा रहा है।
Stop.
लिफ्टिंग दी।
Carison.
देखो सॉरी शर्ट
Basically what he's doing is detaching the
Carison.
flavor from all bony attachments. Yeah.
All corners, na? Four corners.
All the attachments is it.
Coagulation, please. Give me the Carison. So this is the contralateral side. I am moving towards the exiting route. Coagulation.
Scope is little bit foggy. I mean,
Coagulation. Yeah, the scope is foggy because. Stop.
I think initial cases it will be difficult for anybody to operate like this.
he knows anatomy, so he's like going through it.
So initial cases better to follow the conventional way and taking out phlegm with carisons and all. But definitely it's a very very good skill to learn to remove the phlegm from the caudal lamina.
First caudal lamina.
Caudal I mean like
Coagulation
caudal lamina also. You remove the superficial layer of the phlegm, see the margin of the bone with the deeper layer, and then you release the deeper layer also from the underneath. Take a few bites and release the phlegm from below upwards. It is a very good skill to do. Otherwise, if you come from above downwards, when you are at the lower
Relax,
part,
please.
you know, that time it becomes very clumsy. But taking bites with your back hand like this becomes very clumsy.
So this is the contralateral SAP IAP joint. You can see this is the contralateral joint.
Yes.
Margin or margin, or I have to upcut it.
You can either chisel it. What he has done is he has thinned it down and with a burr and then chiseled it. Or what I do is I take with
No margin.
burr. No, what I do is with kerison. I use a kerison.
This
Take a
was-
few bites.
So see, my phlegm is now the butterfly is broken in half. So you see, so I'll separately remove the wings.
Then probably the trajectory.
Like this.
Okay. So I lift it. I'll see underneath and remove the phlegm. You can see one is here, and you can see the underneath of this phlegm also.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's some phlegm left. So
जला दो उसको पहले
क्या बुलाएं उसको? क्या बता रहे हो?
जला दो उसको पहले
ओके जलाएंगे जलाने
सारी
की
जल
चक्कर में ना सब चीजें जल जाएगी. So this is the other phlegm you can see. I'm trying to remove it. Show it here.
तो अंदर चला गया.
ये क्या है ना मेरा इंसिजन छोटा रहता है. That's why.
तो ड्यूरा पे चला गया.
So it is the wings are.
आत्मन स्कोप ड्यूरा पे है तुम्हारा. स्कोप
Sorry कुछ
हटा लो उसको
नहीं.
ना.
Nothing है.
स्कोप हटा लो.
उठाओ निकालो इसको.
बड़ा है.
पूरा मैंने अटक गया.
Do you see? Can you see?
आधी आधी दिखी है आधी
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes.
yes yes
But this
Okay,
is
you can see the very well the disc now. Everything is removed now. Everything is clear for you. Carson, please.
use of chisel.
चिसल से बस काम है चिसल कट 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 चिसल से बोन को वो फ्लेम अपने आप निकल जाता है
When you're doing a multi-level, now, the angle of the probably may not, that road may not,
Another piece.
You don't want to use that much result.
not able to use the person.
So see, my space has been created. Okay.
Yes.
No, but the way he's using chisel is very good. It's the only way. Very good. Fast. Otherwise, if you are using bar and Kennison, it will take time.
तो बर में तो क्या होता है ना, अगर स्पीड अच्छी है तो विजन खराब हो जाता है।
ये वो बार-बार
Speed
बोल्ड
कम है।
आता रहता है, you're
हाँ।
not able to see.
But उसको RF से कंट्रोल कर सकते हो मतलब?
So you can very well see the Cambian strangle. I'll show you the exiting route also. Wait.
SAP because
Exiting आ गई।
that can be.
Exiting तो ज़्यादा छेड़ता नहीं। मैं देख
Chisel, chisel.
बड़ा अच्छा लगता है
No,
ये।
sir, drill दे. Drill.
दोनों को देख के एक्सपोज करके डालने में खेल था, मजा आता था।
फोरामेंट ले गया ना?
So the works become actually faster if you do with a butterfly.
Yeah.
So population, please. So sometimes you'll get some facetal arteries here. These are the areas on the facet coagulation. So see, I am not using any of the fancy instruments here. No fancy instruments. Only the same stock surgery. If you see the yeah, same some Carrison, only some one or two disc forceps. Drill is very important. Coagulation. Good quality, limited equipments are best for UV coagulation. So
If you have
can
at least 10 millimeter to 12 millimeter space there for
drill.
the cage going.
ये शेवी और करना पड़ेगा।
Basically, the SFP, like to go lateral to the SFP, you will be cutting the attachment of the multiplicator.
Yes.
If you can avoid that, best to avoid cutting the lateral edge of the SFP. If you are putting in a big cage like a X-T-lip cage that Dr. Chetan does, then you have to take down the completely the SFP and open the foramen in a big way and then
shoot, take a shot.
Otherwise, the SFP to the
Okay,
tip
sure.
of the SFP laterally, the multiplicator remains attached. And if you, it is best if you are preserving multiplicator for the rest of the surgery.
Dr. Basu, you need to demonstrate MIS once I put the cages.
हाँ।
So
आपको उल्टे जाना पड़ेगा।
बुला रहा है।
तो हो गया, ठीक तो हो गया।
नहीं केज और डिस्क में अभी लगेगा 2 cages. We are going to put 2 cages.
आधा घंटा हो गया इसको भी।
हाँ?
नहीं कुछ नहीं, तेरे से बात नहीं कर, तू कर।
आपका वॉइस मफल हो रहा है. But
नहीं, हम लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे थे क्या करना है, तू कंटिन्यू कर।
Anybody has any question? Feel free to ask anything.
Harrison, please.
Yeah.
अभी is going towards the exiting route.
So that's the
Yes.
foramen.
I'll show you the Cambians, then we'll move.
He is basically trying to expose the exiting route.
Take a route.
Usually, boost will be there, no exiting route.
I think
So I'll
इसमें
create a
कम
big
होता है।
space around.
इसमें कम होता है because of the
But
water
there's
pressure
good
and
amount,
everything.
but there's a good amount of scar tissue also around the exiting route.
Yeah,
Inflammation and all.
that is true. That is true because of inflammation
How to
and
explore all that.
continuous hammering. You see the scar tissues.
You can-
Drill please. So I am away from the dura. I am not seeing the dura anymore. I'm working on the facet and the disc exactly in the Cambian strangle where how a T-leaf is done. Most of the times we do go for T-leaf and land up in P-leaf, retracting the dura and all. We don't have to do that. That's a trans-Cambian fusion, transforaminal fusion. These are the words. You should not see the dura there. Harrison, please. So I'll.
It's better to avoid
So
putting the page in this-
you can coagulation, please. So exiting route is in my hand now.
Yes.
Coagulation. So you can see the scar tissues. Not much here because it is not a unstable listhesis. So it doesn't have much of the scar. But if you have an unstable listhesis, coagulation, definitely you will going to get a lot of. So if this is the exiting route, Harrison.
Sequence is very straightforward. From medial to lateral, you'll see fat, then there will be the axillary blood vessels. Beyond that will be the nerve. If you see the fat and the vessel, you should stop at that point. There is no point in going any further.
Chisel, please.
Fat, beyond that there will be a vessel. Beyond that will be the exiting.
Yeah.
They can see, I should see the your at the tail edge of the pedicle. That's it.
Chisel.
Direct decompression of getting, once you put in your cage, after directly, because
Now is osteotomizing the essence.
once you expose the exiting route, now you're putting it at also.
Chisel.
So, a better
Chisel, please.
if you want to directly decompress the exiting one on the same side is, once your cage goes in,
I mean,
distraction.
one thing is why do you expose even the exiting nerve? Because when you put in the cage, no need, just keep it as it is.
Retract the traveling route.
Retract the trouser and put the cage, get done with it.
एक लियोन भी नहीं दिखा.
Drill. This was about
It
drill.
protects your root, why you want to take it out?
वो बचा के
बचा
Shoot. Shoot. So now you see, take another shoot, please. Now you see, take a shoot there. See, complete facetectomy, IAP removal has been done. Can you see?
Zoom in please. Yeah.
Can you see? My drill? Yes. So I'm creating a good transcambien fusion here.
Good reduction. You just don't want to extend like this. If you get a decent compression, then you just compress it from the back.
Carry please. So you can very well see the epidural fat, the root. I'm not exposing the root here because the epidural fat are sometimes the cushions. So just need to see it and keep it there. Otherwise, the adhesion fibrosis will happen post surgery. Patient may come with radical chisel. Chisel. No. No, just. Okay. There's some tea start. Okay. Now, good space. Now, okay. Give me the Indian knife. Indian knife. You see, this is Indian knife for anelotomy. Chisel. Very nice. It has the disc is already. Shoot. Take a shoot. This space. Okay. Fine. Just carry some, please.
Yeah.
बड़ा कैशन छोटा कैशन दिया मधु anelotomy with Carison I preferred for fusion.
Especially अगर listhesis है, it is better to see in the C-arm. So you never don't break the end plate.
Yes.
It's always better to see in the C-arm before you hammer it.
Nice over there.
Oh, shiver ligament.
So opposite side, little bone work is needed. Carison, please. Carison. So you see opposite side joint and the SAP. Drill do. ये Cronus ले लेना. So facetectomy has been done. You see, the levels will be mobile now. Take a shoot for contralateral side. Shoot. So I have to move up because. Chisel, please. chisel. Chisel. Chisel, chisel, chisel.
इतना सुना लेके जाएगा
Chisel.
बोतल है उसमें बोतल.
Coagulation, please. Coagulation. Coagulation. Stop. Coagulation, please. Chisel.
Just give.
For hour now. But after reduction, it doesn't pinch.
Chisel. Chisel. Curved chisel, please. Garrison, please.
See how the scope is angled outside picture.
Short go like this, na?
Oh, follow the. तो लेकिन फर्स्ट केस में हाथ.
अच्छा था अभी थोड़ा मसाला उसके उसके अंदर कुछ
Even the glue it doesn't leak because of the.
Accurate.
वहाँ से air will travel.
So see, this is the contralateral area of the exiting route. That also I need to decompression. Need for decompression.
Yes.
Really understand.
So my scope, the scoop is towards the bone, not towards the dura. Garrison.
Dr. Atman, you also do bilateral fasciectomy in all cases?
No, not in all cases where I think the bone is already fused and I need to realign the bone. Otherwise, the reduction won't be good because here I am doing for a radiological reduction because the foramens which are pinched cannot be done only by decompression. Listen.
This one.
Is it fogging? Fogging which? At Pranibhasian, it is fogging most of the times. Wait. Why it is fogging? अरे humidifier increase करो ना. Maintain the temperature of the OT. Okay.
अभी विजन नहीं हुआ.
नहीं वो विजन खराब होगा तो बताना because fogging हो रहा है थोड़ा. Maybe humidity or something. Yes, sir.
बहुत फास्ट मेडिसिन.
हाँ. हाँ.
क्या हुआ?
बहुत
सर मैं खुद ना आजकल चीज़ यूज कर रहा हूँ. बहुत चीज़ नहीं हुआ. फिर वो अपने आप जांच हो जाएगा.
So this I call normally as a blind spot. Endoscopes. We normally do not work on the exiting route for a decompression case. So I believe some of these are the blind spots which needs to be addressed. So when we do endoscopy, we should at least for a canal stenosis where the roots are not visible, severe canal stenosis, we should do a pedicle to pedicle decompression always. Otherwise, the patient will come back. And if you are in the beginning phases, it is okay. But once you are established, you cannot accept failures in results. Yes, sir. So there are hypertrophy of the facet. That is why you can see extra millimeters of the lateral discs I can move with this scope. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here. These are the areas a little prone for dural tears. So this no punch technique definitely helps. So here the lateral discs is clearer now. but you still see a lot of phlegm hiding underneath. Okay. Okay. Shaver, please. Carson, now I'll move with the interdiscal work. It's normal. Now we'll introduce a shaver. You see, this is a shaver which we are going to introduce to the facet. So I'm not retracting the shoot. Hammer, shoot. 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 Okay. डाई भी रखना है आज. You'll see so much of volume of disc will be there. Normally 2-3 types we put the shaver, 2 times scooping. We think the disc space is over. You'll see how much disc will be there. I'll be tired removing the disc.
This is the part of the surgery which requires a lot of time and effort. Now, the end plate preparation part of it.
This was it, please. Bone chip is ready रहेगा. Doctor Basu was shaver. नहीं पड़ा था. So now I can enter inside the disc space. Okay, you see the end plates. I'll remove all the almost 90% of the disc. এটা नहीं रहेगा सीधा दे. So whenever you see a lot of structures, just try to shrink it a little. ये अंकुर, वो डॉक्टर बासु आएंगे, उनको थोड़ा अंदर. ये पुष्पा दीदी, हाँ पुष्पा दीदी कहाँ गई? मैं इसको से दे. Okay, so we'll remove. See, so much of disc is there. So then next step is to shrink it a little. Coagulation. Do not cut the. To preserve the annulus near to the dura. Okay. Coagulation. Ablate. Stop. Curate. I am not at all retracted the dura till now. I'll retract the only I didn't putting the. Fogging, please. Fogging again. Wash. Fogging. Humidity control karo. Put it. It is getting humid. Sitting. Curate, please. Dissector, please. Dissector, curate. कुछ भी दे. Curate. छोटा curate दे. थोड़ा मोटा medium size. नहीं, it नहीं.
Last question, sir. Some sort of movie, probably in the last watch, last watch. We move from starting and always
Dispose, please. Curate, please. See now, you see this beautiful thing, which I see. I'm going there and removing this cartilaginous end plate from bony end plate. Can you see? Removing the cartilaginous end plate from bony end plate, like in a SCDF you do.
Yes.
Okay.
This makes the fusion better.
Yes, and the vision helps you a lot.
Yes.
This person. The advantage is the scope is 4 mm and it is an independent scope. You do your work It is not hindered by. Sometimes I used to do monopodal endoscopy. Sometimes I feel like instruments are like this. Matlab, one scope shadow will hinder the instruments work. Here it is, everything is completely free. Population. Ablet.
Primarily is
Stop. Ablet.
modification.
Stop. Root retractor, please. Normal. Bifurate with okay. So now I'll retract the root a little, just to widen the anelotomy this level, so that I can remove more. So I'll expand the anelotomy a little. I'll expand the anelotomy a little. Let it decrease. This was it. Up by down by.
Very difficult. Only one size.
Okay, curate. Upright curate. Same open instrument curate fusion set. You don't need anything extra.
Start with fusion surgery, especially
Okay, बड़ो curate जिसको bigger up by down by curate please.
posterior edge of the vertebral body, I would say, annulus.
Hold.
All the annulus.
Hold. Carry some please.
The
Bigger
upper edge
carry
of
some,
the
please.
dentate, lower edge of the dentate. Because when you're pushing in the final cage, if you not remove that annulus remnant, sometimes it's going to create a hindrance. And you may probably, I would say, injure your end plate.
Incision बढ़े जल्दी का चलो.
Sometimes, if you not take
This was a upright.
push the cage into the vertebral body also.
This was a upright.
Whenever you do that under CR, you're putting
चेक
it.
करना ही चाहिए था. But I am telling जैसे कि इसके remnants दिख रहे हैं ना, इसके lower pedicle के ऊपर RF नहीं किया हुआ इतना ऊपर भी RF नहीं किया तो all that is basically now crowding into your.
That will hinder your entrance of the cage.
I am going to put whole of the discal space with cages. So curate please. Up by down by curates. Up by down by curates from Jesco please. So these are up bites and down bite curates which will make a space for contralateral side. We'll go till the LL. The same way you do open surgery, same way. Down by curate.
Using a 30 degree here, you can put in your scope inside, rotate your light source, and you'll be very easily able to see the
upper surface.
under surface. This one on the side also. Probably
This was a please.
the 0 degree that will move more the pressure to the scope like this to.
So you see this cartilaginous. You can see this piece. You see how well the cartilaginous ventret along with the disc has been removed. Curate, open curate, small curate. Small one है सही जो that is no set है small का नहीं.
करेंगे इसको खत्म हो But Dr. Arman, in this phase, do you use 0 degree or you switch to 30 degrees?
No, only with 0 degree.
Only.
That is has become what we call if something is not used anymore.
Redundant.
Absolute in my OT now. So I only use that whenever I have any issues with the year or for the demonstration purpose. कि how 0 degree is better than 30.
Okay.
So I'll share one story because once what happened there was some fogging happening repeatedly with the 0 degree scope. So I was doing by this 2 cage fusion.
Yeah.
So normally it is very easy for me to do a 2 cage fusion, but suddenly I was stuck. I was not able to put the cage. I don't know why it is happening. And then I rationalized later on the key, just because I was using 30-degree scope, everything was perceived as bigger.
Yes.
Panoramically bigger. Panoramically bigger.
Panoramic
So
field
my
better.
annulotomy was smaller actually, but I perceived it as bigger. So I tried to put it, but there was not enough space. So change to 0-degree scope, increase the annulotomy.
The length of the cages you're gonna put are gonna be same or gonna be different lengths.
Curate.
But Arpan, what are the length of the cages?
Huh?
What is the length of your cage? Are you putting the
Different,
cage?
different.
Do
Special
bullet
cage?
cage. I will show you the cage. It is 9 mm, two 9 mm cages, and 22, 27. That's my option. Normally, I prefer bigger. 27, 2, 27, 8, 9 mm cages, which makes it thing. But you need to have space for the
And you-
cages without removing the disc. Just do not push the cage. It will cause paralateral herniations also on the contralateral
Yes.
side.
Yes.
Any reason why you have moved from one cage to two cage?
I moved from one case to because I felt ki I think ki the fusion once you back up the space with multiple fusion forming materials, the fusion is to happen faster. This is what I believe. So now I have almost 15 cases of bilateral two cages. So maybe, but this was done in a very short span of time. So
Okay.
I think we have to wait for 3 months. I want to do a CT scan after 3 months to see the fusion.
Follow up, yeah,
If we
follow
achieve
up.
a better fusion, that will be good publication.
One thing, Atman,
Yeah.
putting in two bullet cages
Ah.
or putting in one single large banana cage.
Yeah, that also can be a thing, but the volume of the cages should be high. Whatever you put.
How
Because,
comfortable is
I,
the banana cage in this UV?
That's what I'm asking.
Ah.
I am not sure this.
बुलेट के आराम से घुमाओ.
You're telling about the banana cage or bullet?
Hey, I'm asking, how comfortable are you with a banana cage?
No, I do not put banana cage. Why? Because in the beginning phases of my career, with the open surgery career, in the open surgery and also in endoscopy, I believe banana cages has a internal torque to it because of its shape.
Yes.
So if even little loosening of the screws will have the movement in the banana cage. So I feel banana cages have, I don't know what studies say, but I believe banana cages have a more likelihood of rotation and screw the cage coming out or back out.
You see, jaw subluxation is higher in banana cages.
Banana cage is only advantage you have.
It has an
bigger
internal torque, but
fusion.
it gives you a bigger space. So why to just you can create the
only
space.
advantage.
I feel I somewhere differ with some Atman. I believe you back it up with
See
biology.
how much disc is there. I have been
Autograph, back it up with autograph.
last 10 minutes.
So less autograph, you supplemented with like bone rods.
Bone chip.
Curate.
It's just gonna act like a space.
Yeah.
Not the cage. But yeah, probably it's like it's very osteoporotic kind of a bone, and if you're putting on one bullet cage,
रोटेट कर दे
in that case probably you put in two cages.
सेवर देना छोटा वाला
The mechanical support of two cages is gonna be better than one cage in a osteoporotic. So probably
ये bone material is ready.
probably two cages. That is why
अच्छा,
One cage is absolutely.
Sufficient, yes. One cage more than sufficient to do.
you fill it up with biology. It is the biology which is gonna basically need to fill in.
Amar?
Not cage work.
So this see this step because I was not able to remove the contralateral side disc a lot. So I am going to retract this little and remove the contralateral one. So you have this die.
Increasing
So we'll show you with a die how much volume will be created.
But Arpan, you increasing the annulotomy size or what are you doing?
I'm not increasing the annulotomy size. I'll just try to take out the screws which are there on the opposite side. Take out the discs which are there in the opposite side.
Okay. Okay.
So take a shoot, take a shoot, take a shoot. So if you see where I have reached, see. Can you see in PIP? Till the ALL. I'll show you the ALL fibers also. Okay?
That is the economical indication of it.
Yeah, this fuses also fine.
This was please.
आप सर्वाइकल में करते हो ना केज मत डालो, और ट्राइकोडर्मा ग्राफ डाल के छोड़ दो, फुल फ्यूज हो जाएगा।
Coagulation ablator.
तो बस इसलिए कि आपके इंटरबॉडी कोलैप्स
So my scope is moving in and out very freely. I'm not hindering anything, any dura, no structures. This is how the placement should be there of the position portals. Ablate.
and years already very lateral surgery, they are having a resurgence just because कि आप नीचे से छोटा केज डालते हो,
अब ऐसे बड़ा क्या डाल रहे हो?
डाल रहे हो।
Stop.
लॉर्डोसिस स्टैटिक बैलेंस की बात नहीं कर रहे हो।
अब जो हम करते हैं
Yes,
एक्सलिफ करते हैं, एक्सलिफ हम
Correct,
14
correct.
के डाल देते हैं, हाइट बढ़ जाती है, फ्लेम भी टाउट हो जाता है,
Indirect.
इंटरनल डिकम्प्रेशन हो जाता है।
कुछ हम जितना उठाओगे उतना बैठते हैं, सब साइड भी करेंगे। बोन क्वालिटी पे डिपेंड ऑन हाउ योर बोन डिपेंड्स ऑन द बोन क्वालिटी। ऑल ऑफ दीस एज ग्रुप्स आर बेसिकली
Osteoporotic.
ऑस्टियोपोरोटिक है, जितना उठाओगे उतना बैठेगा।
अरे हम भी ऑस्टियोपोरोटिक हो गए, धूप पे तो निकलता है नहीं।
फिर आप कितने बीडीसी कितने
हम भी ऑस्टियोपोरोटिक है।
हम विटामिन डी खाते हैं।
This was abuse. So see how many actually will show you the volume of the disc removed. Okay, Sangram Rakichu. So we'll show you the volume of the disc with the dye. We'll show you the volume of the disc in a syringe. How much disc we have actually removed. So actually we underestimate whenever we do a fusion. We just push up indirectly. We just put the shaver 2-3 times, and we believe that we have removed the whole of the disc, and the patient lands up in a non-fusion. This is because we don't have any imagination how much disc is actually left behind. But here you can see everything. But up bite, down bite, curate. Up down curate, please. Up down curates are very handy.
आरएफ से कर,
आरएफ से भी कर सकते हैं।
आरएफ
आरएफ से ना बड़ा अच्छा सा मिल जाएगा।
इतना जल्दी होता
ये ना
है।
सेंटेड आपकी ऐसे मक्खी का सेपरेट हो जाती है।
ये एक निकल
आरएफ को एब्लेशन मोड से
कैल्सिफाइड
इसमें ग्लैंड होती है, उसको फिर निकाल लो, उसको क्यूरेट से कर लो।
दो जब सेटल होगी ना उसके अंदर कुछ
So if you see, you can see the PLL fibers here. Can you see the PLL fibers?
Yeah.
Show you the see the PLL fibers.
एएलएल भाई,
Dr. Rahul.
एएलएल
ALL, sorry.
एएलएल जिंदाबाद।
I am little dyslexic with words, so forgive
Yes.
me. But you understand, भावनाओं को समझो.
भावना ही समझ रहा हूँ मैं तेरी।
हाँ. This was it.
So your end point is you see the ALL and then you stop.
No, adequate decompression. So almost there should be a space for fusion.
You should standard teaching is you should not be seeing the ALL.
हाँ,
Probably if I see
That is
I'm putting in
the point is
तो वो ग्राउंड सर आगे निकल
आगे
the
निकल
point is we can only see the ALL with an endoscope. So whether the standard teaching comes from open surgery, then I'm sorry I won't be able to make the authentication of
I'm
that.
just curious ki what is your end point?
So because ALL that is the barrier which stops the discal space from the positoperitoneal space. So the better space you create, the better fusion happens. Normally, most commonly the fusion happens in the borders or the
आत्मा we want a CM view, क्यूरेट अंदर छोड़ दो सबसे सामने और एक CM view दिखाओ हमको।
Yes, Siam view, please. You can see you can see the ALL now.
नहीं, हमें क्यूरेट डाल के
Will-
दिखाओ, CM में
So
दिखाओ।
take a shot. See.
Almost आ
this-
गया।
shot अभी देखो फाइबर्स दिख रहा है ALL के longitudinal. Should take a
अभी
shot.
हमको CM दिख रहा है अभी हमको।
हाँ.
आगे आप पहुंच चुके हो अपना सेंटर
हाँ, ये discuss. Curate दलो. So almost we are done. We'll start putting the cages.
आगे का 10 मिनट छोड़ के सेफ्टी
छोटे पीसेस होते हैं ना, पास हो जाएंगे।
Now the twinning will look like exact the same thing, the way two twins look like. Carrison, curved carrison, straight carrison, curved carrison, anything. So I can directly put the carrison inside the disk space and remove this disk fragments. This space. Okay, now how is it? How is it?
Wonderful.
No, you can see the PLL ना?
Circumferential fiber.
Circumferential fiber दिख रहे हैं.
क्या दिख रहा है?
Circumferential fiber.
फाइबर दिख हाँ ओके कोवलेशन हाँ ठीक है स्टॉप नाउ कौन आला फॉगिंग I don't know why the fogging is happening. I think today is a holiday. No. Okay. This faucet please. Upright. I think we have created enough space. We'll check that with a die. Die is ready. Okay, wait. Just a moment. Die में मैं आपको I'll show you the space we have created. Upright.
अच्छा है but we will put a case now.
Dr. Basu is here.
No.
Dr. Basu is on his way to the OT.
Yeah. I met him in the OT now, just now. Just put a die. Give me a die. बस कुछ बचा हुआ है यहाँ पे क्यूरेट दो.
तुम बुलाओ और आदमी ना आए ऐसा हो सकता है क्या?
क्यूरेट.
What is the value?
Methylene blue. What? Methylene blue. Just
तो मिथलिन को यूज करेगा आयोग को यूज करेगा ना
क्यों? कुछ
सिया में देखेगा ना
क्या dye use कर रहे हो Dr. Why are you using the dye? But why even I have to?
सिया में दिखाएगा स्पेस.
अच्छा दिखाने की. Dr. do you what dye are you using?
The same die we put for the epidural space identification for.
Omni
You
Park.
are putting OmniPack. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just to see the space.
You stop the saline flow at that time and suction everything.
Do we need to?
Sorry.
So probably
Just to show.
So die. Give me here. So we are putting the die. We'll remove the scope and take CM shoots. No need. What is that? Saline, please. Okay. So it is the space. So we are taking these out. Take shoot lena. Now focus on the CM only. Okay. Fluoro continuous लेना है. Continuous पता है कैसे? Shoot लो. Picture save करना. Shoot लो. देख पा रहे हो? Can you see?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Can you see?
Yeah, beautiful.
Whole of the disk space is filled with. So we have done a wonderful preparation bed for fusion. This much of volume from ALL to here has been taken.
beautiful.
Okay?
Yeah.
Take a save these images.
AP भी दिखाओ जरा.
उसका एबी दिखाओ यार.
एपी देखना है? एपी देखना है क्या?
दिखा दो.
अरे एपी मूव द एपी.
लग जाएगा ना
अरे पानी डाल दिया डाइल्यूट. चलो कोई बात नहीं. मैंने पानी डाल दिया लेकिन. Anyways, जल्दी करो चला जाएगा निकल जाएगा. फटाफट सुबह.
अब निकल चुके वहां सर. वहाँ कुछ है तो है नहीं उसको पकड़े रखने के लिए.
अरे देखो वो अब होगा भी. अभी देखो उस तरफ लो. शॉट फटाफट यार. हाँ ले लो उस तरफ ले. शॉट ले. Now you just see how much space we have created. Okay.
In the two medial pedicle lines.
This is हाँ ये अच्छे से दिखाना ये और सी उस तरफ.
देख लिया.
नहीं ये आर्क रोटेट करो. आर्क ହେଉଛି ଏଇଟା बाबा. हाँ बस.
बहुत बढ़िया Dr. दिख गया.
Lovely.
Okay, thank you. Save the pictures. Lateral करो.
सवाल
करो।
करते यार एक बार डालो और यही केज बन जाएगा आप अंदर जाएगा
अच्छा
ये एकदम डाल रहा हूँ
Right,
ये डाल
right.
देता हूँ हाँ चेंज इट OT setup all staffs are trained. That is okay.
चल रहे आप अंदर दिखा फिर से आत्मन
हाँ just
अरे अंदर का दिखाओ फिर से।
oh wait. Okay, you can. Now the space is there. PLL is visible. I'm taking a screenshot for this. रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं था क्या? नहीं.
Printed बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा है.
तो रूट रिट्रैक्टर होल्ड करो. बोन चिप दो. बोन चिप नाउ. बोन चिप बाबा. बोन ग्राफ्ट. क्यूरेट ट्रायल दो. नहीं है बोन ग्राफ्ट दे. अरे ट्रायल दे. ट्रायल्स वो हिसाब से 10 खंडे जुआ केज नहीं 10 नहीं स्टार्टिंग 8-9 दियो. रूट रिट्रैक्टर प्लीज. सो these are semi tubular retractors. You can see ulta types. Throw it on your head बुझली. So this is semi tubular retractor. Sorry, I'm talking bifield retractor. Mind my words. So the bifield retractor is designed in such a way that the one of the end plate stays inside the space, and the other one protects the root, exiting root, traversing root. Sorry.
Yes.
So this is how we do. Fogging again. Reduce the fog. Water आ जा रहा है. Humidifier किसी ने ready किया. पुष्पा कहाँ है? Here. The sizer. The trial. 8 trial. 30% Hollywood. Okay, you can see everything. Implant, non-implant, hammer.
24
It is low. 8 size. We'll go to 9, which is no implant.
24.
Hmm?
I think 22 or
Can you do
I think this होगा
तो हमारा किसको कराओ फिर?
24
it?
10 डाला हुआ
चलो 10
10 से
base,
11 के जाएगा
10 base. क्यूरेट दो और थोड़ा.
फिर बोला इसने.
क्यूरेट दो, केस दो. तो हाथों क्यूरेट कर दे.
10 का जाएगा लेकिन इसमें अच्छा है.
Challenge, please.
अरे के जाना तो
चेक
चल
डालो.
रहा है, चलता है ना. देख के उसका सियाम देख के
Bone. Just a moment. This is 10 size. Saline, please. 10 size. Coda. This is the root. This is no implant. अच्छा, okay. This way. Hammer. एक मिनट. हाँ, hammer. Chut.
Stand is right now holding that
This is okay. Hammer.
Setting
This
is
looks fine. Stop. Sati.
10 का डाल दो.
उसी तो है ये. 10 है.
हाँ 10 का ही डालें. कितना है? 10. So now just to simple work, I'll just remove a little bone because it is hindering. Some part drill दो.
ऐसे भी हिंदर कर रहा हो.
हाँ ये थोड़ा सा ड्रिल कर देंगे. कोई ज्यादा नहीं. Just to
create space.
sometimes, as Dr. Ketan was telling in the morning, what happens na, you get hypertrophied facets. You get a spinous process like projection in the lateral part of the thing. So if you see the facet will be here. Very high. The facet increases with height and width. Both ways. Garrison, please. Normal. Okay.
Actually, top structure में
Now we are putting the bone graft. Just have a look. So Siam in continuous. Okay. हाँ चलो डालो. Shoot. Oh, you should put the bone graft anteriorly always. Shoot. You can see those grafts going in,
Yes.
shadows. Amar kete bahla. Awachi.
Controversial.
Hello, very nice. Very nice. So we are not putting any coating cage, root retractor cage.
राहुल भी करो थोड़ी जल्दी से मिल जाएगा तो क्या
एक्सरे भी इतना मस्त ओपन में भी इतना अच्छा है
ओपन इतना एंड प्लेट प्रिपेयर नहीं करता, frankly speaking.
आपकी एंड प्लेट कितनी अच्छी प्रिपेयर है सब उस पे
Hold.
सेंट्रल एंड प्लेट जो है सबसे ज्यादा वास्कुलर
Cage going, first cage going in.
And contralateral जो decompression इसमें दिख रहा है वो तब मिस्टिलिस या
First cage going in. Have a look. Hammer. Shoot. 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 Howdy. Shoot. बस. हाँ, okay. Okay, one cage in. Okay, I'll do either I'll medialize or lateralize the cages. I'll show what to do. Small, yeah, lateralize and medialize करें क्या करें? Your choice. So its choice is to crowd, which we should medialize or lateralize the cages.
नहीं मिडिल है
Normal size दे 8 number. Normal size दे 8 number.
ऐसे करके मारना चाहिए।
हाँ मिडिल करो उसको
8 number. 8 number बाबा. 8 number. So I'm going to lateralize the cage and put the other cage medially.
सब क्या है
Fogging हो रहा है.
बढ़िया है।
जो चाहिए.
ये फॉगिंग नहीं हो रहा है सब बढ़िया दिख रहा है
So me APV person.
अच्छा. अब दिखा ना.
लैटरल में डाला दूसरा मीडियम डाला
No, APV which
ये प्रोडक्शन पेडिकल के लाइन होगा। आप फोरामेन के डेड से डालना फोरामेन से पेडिकल के लाइन होगा।
रुक जा. ये root retractor
ये
निकाल.
जस्ट मीडियल पेडिकल
अभी पहले मैं I'll medialize the cage or lateralize the cage. How we'll do? I'll show you. First, I'll take the second cage and go there. Like the cage will retract. Huh? Hammer slowly.
will be visualized.
Shoot.
इसमें रूट में थोड़ा ट्रैक्शन
Shoot.
आ रहा है दिख रहा है ना
Hammer.
आज दिख रहा है
Stop.
आत्मन रूट ज्यादा
हाँ.
खींच रही है
रूट थोड़े खींचना है तो इज दैट एन इशू
नहीं, there is ample of space. वो खींच नहीं रहा है. Just retraction कर रहा हूँ.
ठीक
what he's doing.
Normal.
इस बड़ी अनदर केज
रोटेशन के लिए.
medialize इसको lateral
He's trying to lateralize this.
This was
first cage is lateralizing, second cage is medializing it, so that he puts two cages.
काफी स्पेस है।
Space तो बहुत है
पहला कीजिए ऐसे पूरा एनिमेट करके और जाएगा फिर दूसरा कीजिए मस्त।
हमारा rotator.
पैटर्न आगे पे डालो तो ज्यादा नहीं मिडलाइज कर सकते
So see another instrument going in. Align please. Okay, shoot. So see I'm engaging the cage. Hammer. Shoot. Stop. So see the cage is medial lateralized now. You can
Yes.
see whole length. Jesco will be happy seeing this Jesco brand. Next case please. Root retractor same way. So within next same way putting the first cage.
ना वही थी एक्चुअली
Okay. No चलो.
सिंगल प्लेट ट्रैक्टर ले ले
हाँ
सिंगल प्लेट ट्रैक्टर ले ले इजी हो जाएगा
सिंगल
सिंगल
अरे।
प्लेट ट्रैक्टर ले ले इजी हो जाएगा
को कंप्लेन नॉर्मल नहीं चलो,
हाँ।
ठीक है. ये गया केज. ओके हमर हाँ शूट हमर शूट stop और shoot. Now twinning has happened. What? Now stop. Now see hammer. Oh, so twinning has happened. Okay.
पता कहाँ डाले अंदर तो
छोड़ो. Okay. So the decompression has been done. I'll just recut the contralateral exiting route and my job will be over. Then we'll hand
एपी
over to.
एपी आत्मन एपी
हाँ हाँ लेते हैं वही होगा. मैंने डाला है, चिंता मत कर. दिखाऊंगा, अभी दिखाऊंगा. एक मिनट दे दो खाली. जस्ट ये थोड़ा सा ये वाला कॉन्ट्रालैटरल वर्क बचा हुआ है तो करके जस्ट सी कैरिसन देना. तो ये वाला है, कैरिसन दो. क्या हुआ?
Always a good practice to come back and see the opposite side.
Yes.
See the SMG forearm. Sometimes you're handling the cage inside, intradiscal pressure may rise and you may have a opposite side discal.
Correct. Dr. Basu, I believe Dr. Basu will put the MI screws. He's one of the pioneer in putting MI screws. He's a big teacher for this. Even I have learned from his photos and videos how to put MI screws. So we want to see that because Medtronic, he has a big Medtronic like person. He doesn't come put other Indian company screws, but we'll try to put Indian screws. Okay, so this will be the exiting route area.
यस
Carry curate. I always do a little exiting work, but otherwise,
Dr. Mukherjee said it makes sense because sometimes the residual disc stays and at times it pops out.
यस बिकॉज़ ऑफ द इंक्रीज्ड प्रेशर इनसाइड
Yeah, you hammering it.
chisel, please. Now we'll show you a little of the under the cave work. हाँ. Stop.
It is a good practice to do this before you put in your cage so that you can use this ground part.
Curate, please. Saline. Some oozing is happening from this area. Coagulation. So because of this bone work, sometimes oozing happens. So we do not do coagulation at the end of the before putting the cages, before putting the screws. Once we put the screws, we just go in with the scope and check and do a removal of the clots and all.
फॉगिंग हो गई है
Fogging हो रही है, right?
अब कुछ नहीं दिख रहा मुझे फॉगिंग हो
Fogging हो रहा
गई
है यार. क्या कर रहे हो? Which side patient was having pain, right or left? So you can see both the cages inside, huh? Twinning.
यस
हाँ बढ़िया आगे दिखता है भाई. क्या किया?
हाँ, भाई केज.
एपी दिखा रहे
हाँ एपी दिखा था, रुक जाए एक मिनट. एपी को चेंज करो इसको.
You can term them kissing cages.
Kissing cages, yes. Now Not- उनका मुंह नहीं दिखा इसलिए. Okay. So this is the axillary area on contralateral side. Okay, which looks fine and free. So I don't need to do any other work. So here there are little shrinking के लिए दो देना एक मिनट. Annulus को थोड़ा shrink करना पड़ता है, otherwise this will cause carrying coagulation. Sorry. So now the case is handed over to Dr. Basu for the coagulation. So, sorry.
आत्मा भाई एपी दिखा दो
हाँ एपी दिखा दो.
एपी दिखा दो फिर हम सब लोग यहाँ पे लंच लेना शुरू करते हैं
हाँ ठीक है. एपी शूट लो.
Please use it.
शूट लो, ठीक है, लुक्स फाइन। ये ओलिव भी रोएगा इसमें।
Nice.
Nice.
Very good.
Thank you so much. I'm handing over the mic to Dr. Basu. डाल दो ना इसमें, Dr. Basu.
चलो अरे लंच इज रेडी। चलो
Arthur, you all going for lunch?
प्लीज जॉइन अस फॉर
डाल
लंच।
के ये करना है, ब्लड निकाल।
म्यूट करा लीजिए यहाँ पे म्यूट करा लीजिए मेरा माइक।